In this video, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. Some of these methods are obvious, while others are a little bit more obscure. But don't worry, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you how you can start making money from your YouTube channel today. Welcome to Epic Tube Tactics, your go-to channel for YouTube tips, growth, and monetization. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And now, let's get straight into the video. If you are like me, you are always on the lookout for new and innovative ways to make money on YouTube. Well, I've got good news. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel. So, whether you're a beauty guru, fitness fanatic, or just someone who loves to make videos, there's something here for everyone. So, sit back and relax while I break it all down for you. Number 1, sell ads on your YouTube channel. If you have a popular YouTube channel, you can make money by selling advertising space on it. Advertisers will pay to have their ads shown to your audience, and you will earn a commission on the sales. This is a great way to make a passive income stream from your YouTube channel. In order to qualify to run ads on your YouTube channel, you will need to meet the following requirements. You must have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. You need 4,000 valid public watch time hours within the last 12 months. And you must enable monetization for your account. You must also agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Number 2, sell products or services through your channel. If you have a successful YouTube channel, you can use it to sell products or services. This can be a great way to generate income and promote your brand. To do this, you will need to create videos that promote your products or services and drive your YouTube traffic to your website or sales pages. You also need to create compelling content that encourages viewers to buy what you're selling. Number 3, use affiliate marketing to make money from sponsorships or product sales. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money on your YouTube channel. When you become an affiliate for a company, you earn a commission on any sales that you generate. This is a great way to make money while promoting products that you believe in. For example, you can make a review of the product on your YouTube channel and then put your affiliate link in the description of your video. You can also have multiple affiliate links that are related to your channel in the description of all your videos. For example, you can sign up as an affiliate for all the tools and software that you use for your channel. Number 4, license your content to other media outlets. If you have great YouTube videos, you can sell the rights to use them to other media outlets. This is a great way for YouTube influencers with large followings to make additional revenue from their YouTube channel and audience. You will need an agent who can negotiate deals between you and film studios or television shows that want to purchase the rights to use your YouTube videos. Number 5, charge for access to exclusive content on your YouTube channel. This can be a great way to generate additional income from your YouTube channel. To do this, you will need to create content that is only available to paid subscribers. You will also need to create compelling promotional materials that encourage viewers to sign up for your subscription service. Number 6, offer consulting or mentorship services. When you have a successful YouTube channel, you can offer consulting or mentorship services. This can be a great way to make money and help others learn from your expertise. You will need to create video tutorials or lessons that teach people what you know to offer these services. You can also offer one-on-one online or in-person consultations. Number 7, sell merchandise related to your channel content. If you have a YouTube channel with great and engaging content, you can still sell merchandise related to it. This might include t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, mugs that contain characters or catchphrases from your YouTube videos. You will also need to create online stores where people can buy the shirts and other items they want. Many YouTube channels sell merchandise related to their content. This can be a great way to make money, as viewers will often be eager to purchase products related to their favorite channels. There are a few things to keep in mind when selling merchandise on YouTube. Make sure your designs are unique and eye-catching. Keep your prices reasonable. Offer a variety of products, including shirts, hats, and other accessories. Use high-quality printing and materials for your products. Number 8. Participate in paid product reviews or endorsements. When you have a successful YouTube channel with engaged viewers, you can participate in paid product reviews or endorsements for other companies. This will often be done via affiliate links so that you will earn commissions when viewers click on them and make purchases. To do this, you will need YouTube videos that are high quality and engaging. You will also need to make sure the companies you work with understand YouTube influencers' audience so they can make products that will be relevant to your viewers. Number 9. Accept donations from viewers. If you have a successful YouTube channel, you can also accept donations from viewers who want to support what you are doing on YouTube. Many YouTubers have found success turning their YouTube channels into businesses by accepting donations in this way. This is a great way for YouTube influencers with large followings to make additional revenue from their YouTube channel and audience. Number 10. Host crowdfunding campaigns on your YouTube. If you have a successful YouTube channel, you can use it as a platform to raise money or crowdfund certain projects or ideas through sites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo. For example, YouTube personalities might start a campaign on one of these sites to fund the production of a new YouTube video or special projects they want to do for their fans. Viewers who don't want to spend money directly on your YouTube channel but still want to support what you are doing can donate money through these platforms instead. You must share information about your crowdfunding campaign with your YouTube channel subscribers to make them aware of what you are doing. YouTubers can also give shoutouts to people who donate through their video description or other YouTube content. Click the link in the description below to watch a free video on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get more videos on making money with YouTube. See you in the next video.